Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. Here we are going to discuss a state-wise counseling update where we will know which state has got the counseling registration started and where is going on currently and how we can expect for other states to start the registration process. And we will also talk about three important points: how to approach the counseling based on your rank, and what are the different factors that you need to consider, and how you can approach the counseling on high level. We will talk about NEET PG 2022 expected examination date. What are the chances for the examination to get postponed? Because I have been receiving this question from many of the candidates, so I wanted to shout out the question in a single video. And you can also avail our paid counseling guidance and how it will help you. So if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel and click on the bell button so that you keep receiving all such videos updates timely. Okay, you can also share the video with your colleagues and whoever is looking for NEET PG 2021 counseling platform. Okay, in the description of the video you can find a few important ebooks for deemed universities, open state and DNB counseling. And this is a kind of like high level overview of paid guidance. So under the paid guidance you don't need to do anything. Once you avail the paid guidance, all the updates and the choice preference will be you will keep receiving all the updates and choice preference. You will receive all the updates, choice preference for every round, comparison among different colleges, DNB hospitals, and all the nitty gritty that you need in order to sort out what should be your order of preference and where you have the opportunities, how much will be your budget and in which round you can get, and how you should strategize your counseling process. So you just need to do the manual work, that is registration, and we will support technically as well. Now let's focus on the main topic, that is state-wise counseling update. So we have listed out all 32 different counseling options. Out of them, all India quota, deemed DNB and central institutes all getting clubbed, for all four different institution types getting clubbed in one platform this year. And you can expect the counseling for all India quota to start after 6th Jan, as soon as they get go ahead from Supreme Court regarding the commencement of counseling process. The ministry had given confirmation that they have the schedule ready. As soon as they get go ahead, they will publish on the official website. So it will be starting after 6th of Jan. Maybe on 8th you can expect to get, or 7th also you can expect to get the schedule published, and then they will be publishing the seat matrix for DNB, all India quota, and other institutions. Currently there are a couple of registrations going on. First, you can see Rajasthan, which is an open state. It means the candidates who are belonging to other states also, or they are FMG candidates, they can also register for Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state where the tuition fee for private colleges is very high. For top clinical branches, you need to pay 50 lakhs per year or more than that. That's the reason Rajasthan is state where just qualified candidates also gets a seat, or the chances of getting management seat after cut-off revision is also very high. It's very important state for those candidates who are unable to get seat in other states or their domicile state. So the registration started on 28th and it will go on until 5th of Jan. Okay, so this is one of the ongoing registration you can apply for. The registration fee is 3,000, and based on the reservation it will be up to 1,500. Another registration that you can still do is for Himachal Pradesh. That's also an open state where there is just one private medical college, MMU Solan. Okay, and there are many states where the registration is already over. For Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, for category B, that is for open seat, the registration is already over. And some of the closed states like Gujarat, they have closed their registration process, and Madhya Pradesh registration they started long back, and one more state like Chhattisgarh, they closed their registration on 27th of December. That's also open state where there are a couple of private medical colleges which is open from this year only. Okay. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, they started and closed their registration process for A category. We are still waiting for B category, and many of the candidates are waiting for B category registrations to start in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So you need to wait, and there are other important states like Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar state, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. For these states, candidates are eagerly waiting for the registration to start. So we will update you as soon as it starts. Now let's move over to next topic, that how to approach the counseling. So this is the high time when you have to sort out all your queries related to counseling, because once the counseling starts, there are multiple factors that's pointing towards the counseling to go in very fast paced manner. It means all the state counseling will be starting in within a week of time once the schedule is published by MCC for their All India quota counseling process. And those states where the registration is done, they will be publishing their result as soon as possible based on the criteria. There is also a chance that All India quota counseling process and state counseling process may happen independently, because there is no rules right now to get the government seat reverted to state counseling. So both are independent now, and there is no such rule which says that the state counseling should happen after All India quota counseling. Also, you could see Arunachal Pradesh in NEET UG, they have already declared the result for round 1, where the All India quota process didn't start it. Okay, so there are various factors your counseling approach will depend on, and two different candidates won't have the same counseling approach. It will depend on these factors like your All India rank, your state rank, your if you are not able to get seat in DNB, diploma or government colleges, then it will depend on like how much budget you have, and then what is your future goal. Do you want to go for lecturer or professor post? Then which course you should choose. Okay, your branch interest, that's very important, which branch you are passionate to get. Otherwise you may need to repent later, because the branch won't be changing, or else you need to do double MD or MS. Location preferences, which state you come from, and you got any kind of location bound that you can't travel outside the states or within the premises of, like you want to stay in South India or North India, like that. Any hidden charges that you need to see in the colleges, so that you don't go out of budget. You want to take loans for your education expenses, that you need to decide, and you need to start talk with the managers, so that at the time you get the allotment letter and the fee structure you submit to the bank, and you get the amount dispersed within couple of days or 3 days. Because once the allotment letter is declared, published on the site, you will be getting hardly 1 week to join to complete the joining formalities. How to choose between deemed universities and open states. So for all these factors, if you are unable to decide, or you are in a zone where you are in gray zone where nothing is very clear to you, you can also approach our paid counseling guidance. In the minimum fee, you can get a very good advantage, and you can complete your counseling process without any flaw or mistake. Now let's talk about expected exam date for next year 2022. The tentative exam date is 12th of March 2022, but there are factors which is telling that the exam may get postponed. The counseling, if it start by like 10th of Jan, then it will take at least 1.5 months, considering all the time, minimum time duration they need to give for reporting, and gap between first round, second round, and there are 4 different rounds. So at least it will take 1.5 to 2 months. Let's take on the upper side. If it takes 1.5 months, then it has to it will be completing latest by end of February, that is or maybe first week of March. and the tentative exam date is on 12th of March. So within gap of like 1 or 2 weeks they can't conduct the examination. And another factor will be how would be the situation that time, COVID third wave. If the COVID third wave is on rise, then they will postpone the date surely. But when you will get to know about the postponement, because for the examination to happen they need to start the registration process for the examination 1 month earlier, and by like mid of February they should intimate you the examination going to be postponed or not. Okay, so that's all from my side. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can text on the WhatsApp number given 9319128677. This is the number. You can also contact on the same number for paid counseling guidance. So we will meet again. Until then, goodbye and take care.